Alright, that's about time I've done this. We're about 2,500 miles into it. And for most people, they go 3,000 to 5,000 miles and so on. But with the job I have and me just wanting to protect this thing as much as I possible, I'm going to do an oil change. And it's been a long time since I've had that stuff. So this van's maybe used 3/4 of a quart. I don't even think it's used a whole quart yet in between when I did it about a year late September or October or something like that last year. So we're gonna get to it. So let's see. It's a little after 11, so process with me. You'll want to skip along, feel free, but this will be a very weird video to say the least. Good old 3.8. I'm gonna add once I add this flush, there's no going back after that. I'm committed. And valves are looking a little dirty. Not bad, but they're a little bit cleaner before that. And ridiculous part is you gotta let this stuff idle for like 15 minutes. And it's just kind of ridiculous, but I want to do it before switching oils or whatever. It's generally a good idea. So here we go. Put this stuff in, there's no going back. No, I didn't get it before, but I guess we'll do that now. And then I'll slide in an after clip. So you'll see a transition. I'll just end the video here. It's already quiet before, so we'll see how she sounds afterwards. Be back after it runs its course. Oh, I did just have it. Oh, wow, a two-hander. Isn't that the way of it? Alright. Okay. There we go. Nice and hot. Runny like it's supposed to be. I'm gonna go ahead and let that drain. And then we'll do this. But I'm gonna let it cool down some because this is hot. And then we'll get back to the rest. But yeah, here's the underside. Not a whole lot of oil leaks except for the oil pan, which I knew it was like that before, but it's definitely gotten worse. It's not leaking from the, well, knock on wood, it's not leaking there yet. But otherwise. The head gasket, I think, is leaking, though. It's got oil around there. It could be from the, the valve cover, but it's just leaking right at that seam where the head gasket is. Oh, wow. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna tear this apart as much as I would. Can't. Here's my flex line that I had installed. All new front calipers, flex line, hard line, pads, resurfaced rotors. Bunch of work, bunch of work. And it still stops like a paint, it just stops like a turtle. Okie doke. It's cracked open. Apparently it's a 16 mil, which is kind of crazy, honestly. And that some bitch hot. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Dang. This really sucks. Ooh. Might just have to let it. Ooh. There we go. Man, this thing, this focus on this thing sucks. Damn. That sounded like it was burping. That was weird. Alright. Sorry about the damn focus on this piece of shit, but I'll let that drain. Put the drain pan in, get this back on the ground, and we'll start putting the oil back in. Spinning on. Oil filter. I want to say thanks to one of my members, or a member on one of the Dodge Caravan group, for helping me supply this oil filter. I couldn't believe how much shipping was. I really want to say thanks to him, because these filters are god-awfully expensive. And, like, between shipping and the oil and the Powerfoam, it was already like $90-something. But, you know, it's worth it for this old gal. Hey, and the name tag's facing down. Hell yeah. Alright, let's put her down on the ground and start filling her up. Alright, I did the first half a quart in here just to make sure I could do it without a funnel. Into which I can. So we're gonna go and pour all the other 4 in, and you're gonna watch it. You can skip or whatever. Oh, that's gonna be a mess. Oh, gonna need to clean that up. Oh God, I hate those dogs. I'm not gonna sit here and waste every little bit. Alright, I'll clean this up, start it, and whatnot. But if you'll pretty much hear the before and after and know what it sounds like. So the next clip you should see is me tomorrow afternoon. The next clip you guys should see is of doing the Powerfoam, because I got that. It's got 137 almost. I don't know, it just rolled 137, so it's got a little over 137,000 miles on it. That should be the next clip of just grinding all the nasties out. So that'll be a do it till morning, because it is almost midnight. And that's kind of late already. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, this is day 2. She's been warming up for a little bit of time. I've already got the can here. So, if I can, there we go, get the tube off. There we go. We're gonna get this Powerfoam done. Good. Oh, she was already struggling. Nothing yet. It might be a while. I don't have a tripod anymore to set you guys up on. A few months ago, I had it standing in the garage there and happened to touch it and it broke. Yeah, this thing's clean. Oh, the intake's cold. Holy crap. This thing's clean. Hold on, I'm doing a video. Oh yeah, there it is. There we go. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Oh my god. Woo! Yeah, see, it took a minute. I'll do another. Holy crap. There goes the fans. And we'll shut it off. And I'll be back with you guys when it's ready to do it. Alright, it's been sitting for a little while at least. So, we're going to go ahead and start it up. And see what she does. This will be interesting. I put you far back as possible to see how much smoke comes out. I really hope it's interesting for everyone. Thanks for watching the video. And so on, you know the drill. Well, I'll tell you what. It still is smoking. Let's go take it out around the block. Get you a little listen in on it. bad. Ignore the high temperature gauge. It's been broken ever since I got the van. I've even traced the wiring up in the engine bay. It's complete. It doesn't matter if it's connected or not. Always reads hot. So, anyway, let's ignore that and go and test her out. Oh man, I'll tell you what, that Powerfoam stuff really reeks a lot of that time. And I need to get that power steering changed. Roll up the window so we can hear the engine a little better. I'm just gonna wait. Go ahead and turn around. If you can see how much these tires are crap. Anyway, let them turn first. And that's the rest of the video. Appreciate everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.